Hello YouTube. I just wanted to show you a surprise I found this morning with this Apple Watch. After wearing it for a couple hours, I noticed it was making a jiggly sound. You can hear that. Guess what happened? The screen popped. And why is that? Well, it turns out that the battery underneath has swollen. You can feel it's quite squishy here. Okay. It has not exploded or vented yet, but it looks like it's about to. It's quite thick. And we'll zoom in here on the screen, and you'll notice the model of the battery A1578, made in China. There you have it. I guess when it gets swollen, enough pressure builds up that it thickens and it pops the screen off. And this will still turn on. If you press this button here, you will notice that you do get the time show up and a little red battery icon indicating that it is low on battery. But I'm not going to put this to charge again because I don't want this battery exploding. So we called Apple service, and it is under warranty because they extended the warranty for this issue precisely because a lot of people did notice their batteries swelling. It's now, I believe, 3-year warranty for this, and they extended older watches as well. So we're going to send it back to Apple and have them repair it, and I hope to give you some good news in a future update. But there you have it. If anyone else has experienced this issue, please leave a comment in the video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you.